In this video presentation, we are going to be going over how to set up your business page on Google as a realtor. If you're taking this course, you're going to be seeing these statistics a lot directly from the National Association of Realtors. And you can see the first point says 90% of home buyers searched online during their home buying process. Simply put, a Google My Business page will allow you to pop up in the suggestion box on Google for people searching for these real estate terms. As you can see at the top of the search bar, I typed in real estate agent, and these three businesses were the first three to pop up. These are business listings with Google. They have created their business page, and that is why Google recognizes them as a business and recommends them to people searching. I can simply click on their website, get directions, and call them directly from their listing. You can use a Google business page to drive website visits, get more phone calls, and receive free leads from Google. This allows you to do more business because not a lot of individual realtors and teams are taking advantage of the Google My Business page. Not one penny is spent for these leads. They're completely free. And the more engagement you get with this business page, the more you follow the content in this course, the more leads you will get because the more activity you will have on your page. So in this video, we're going to simply go over setting it up for success and inputting pictures and all the relevant information that you need on your business page. Lastly, I'll show you how to verify your business so that they recognize that you're legit. Let's go. If you go to Google right now and just type in Google My Business, you want to click on this second link right here. It says Google My Business, drive customer engagement on Google. And the URL is just google.com/business. We're going to type in business name. So it's just going to be your name. So Marcus Fleming, Spokane Realtor. And then once you type in the name of your business, which is you individually, just tap on add your business to Google. And then again, type that name in, Marcus Fleming, and then hit next. Business category is going to be real estate agent. So put real estate agents. That qualifies your business. It puts it in that category. So when someone will type in real estate agent, go ahead and click next, and then add your services, custom service, free buying consultation, and then the other one can be free selling consultation. Okay, so add your services in there, what you can offer them. If you want to add a location to where customers can visit, like a store or office, you tap yes, and here you can put the office's address. You also serve customers outside of this location. For example, if you visit or deliver to your customers, you can let them know you are willing to go. So you can type yes because you can meet them off site. Tap next. And then here is where you're going to add all of the areas that you serve. So Airway Heights, obviously, Spokane, Washington, Spokane Valley. So you're going to want to take a second to type in all of the areas that you serve. So think of it like this. If someone types in real estate agent Spokane Valley, you still want to make sure that you pop up because that is still an area. If you want to go ahead and add those cities in there, you can do that. You can also add counties. So we can just use Spokane County and that will cover all of that. Stevens County. And you can always go back and add more in later. Spokane County, Airway Heights, maybe put Cheney in there. Who else do we got? Cheney.
Medical Lake, Airway Heights.
Yep. And I'll show you guys the place that you can go edit this later on and add more in if you forgot some. It's probably good for now. And like I said, you can always add more later if you think of something else. So hit next there, and this is where you're going to put your contact information. So Marcus, what's your phone number?
509.
And your URL would be marcus.topagentteam.com. So when they click on this little website button, that's going to take them to your URL there. Hit next. They have to verify your address here. So what they're going to do is they're going to mail you a postcard, and you're going to get that postcard, and you're going to have to insert a code into their system because they got to make sure that you're legit, you're an actual business. So it normally takes 2 to 5 days for that postcard to get to you. But once you get the postcard, there'll be a code on it that you're going to enter in. I believe I can show you here. Postcard scheduled for delivery. So it's going to go to the office, and then we're just going to go through a few steps here. So once you get the card, there'll be a place to put the code in if you hit this learn more button. So next, let's just add in the hours. I'd recommend just staying open 24 hours because say someone's looking for a realtor on a weekend or something like that and your listing shows up as open, it's going to rank at the top. It's going to rank above, all the other businesses that are closed on weekends and things like that. So it's going to show you as open. So I think if you just tap 24 hours here, I mean, this is totally up to you guys. If you guys want to put your hours in 8 to 5 or whatever you're working, you could do that. But I would recommend doing the 24 hours just so, that helps you rank. Service areas, this is what I was talking about before, where you can add any in that you missed before. Down here is where you can edit your hours, phone number, email, and here are your services. If you want to add more of those services in. Here's a description. So I don't think that's saved. So all of you should have a bio. So if you add a business description here, I'll put this in chat right now so you guys can make it your own. If you want to just have a quick description to put in there. Attributes, there's not really any attributes unless you're a veteran. You can also, if you're a woman, you can put woman-led. So a logo, so you're going to want to add your logo here. I'm going to see if I can steal Marcus's profile picture off his Facebook really quick so I can put that as his logo. So I'm uploading Marcus's picture. So if you guys want, you can go to Google and just type in Spokane, Washington and find like a cool picture of Spokane and put that as your cover photo for your business. And keep in mind, the more stuff you fill out on this, the better they're going to rank you on their site. So I'm going to save this and then go ahead and add it as a cover set. Yeah, if you guys aren't comfortable with just taking a photo off of Google, you can go to stock images and type in Spokane and do it that way. You can actually get a $100 ad credit. That'll be another training in the future. Once you get that postcard in the mail, here's where you'll type in the code and it'll verify it. And that will tell Google like, hey, I'm a legitimate business that does business in Spokane. And once you verify it, then you can see your listing on Google. So does anybody have any questions?
Connor, so real quick, I'm sorry, I missed the very beginning of this. Where did you go to start the process? That's all I need.
Yeah, so you're going to just go to Google and then type in Google My Business. And it should be the second link here. I think the URL is google.com/business.
Thank you.
Yep. Make sure you enter that code so it tells Google, you are a legitimate business, and you'll start showing up on the suggested category that they have, that spotlight section that they have on their website as well. This is all organic. I mean, if someone clicks on your number on Google and calls you, that's a free lead for you. And I think the advantage is there's not a lot of individual realtors doing this. If they see an actual name and not a business name, I think that helps you stand out because they know exactly who they're going to be dealing with when they call that number, and they're not just going to get a receptionist, they're going to get you. That's all I got for today.